The Nike Air Max 95 in British Khaki, Phantom, Linen and Sanddrift brings a soft, sand-inspired look to one of Nike's most iconic silhouettes. The upper features layered Phantom and Linen panels, giving it that signature wavy structure while creating a calm shadow effect. Light pink mesh adds a gentle haze across the top, and small pink accents on the lace holes bring a warm, subtle highlight. The British Khaki midsole delivers a smooth, grounded feel, while the Sanddrift outsole keeps everything neutral and wearable. Pink visible air units in the forefoot and heel glow softly from within, adding a clean mineral-like shine. Around the heel, carefully layered stitching enhances the shoe's unified shape. A pale Air Max logo on the tongue completes the understated vibe. Inspired by the human body and first released in 1995, the Air Max 95 remains iconic, and this colorway refreshes it with a modern, sandy gradient that adds quiet depth to everyday style.